What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at YouTube and I'm gonna be showing you how to do at YouTube Shorts, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So you all know that there is a duet option with videos on TikTok, so now there is an option also to duet a YouTube short. So there are some politics behind it, and of course there are some rules, so I'm gonna go through all of this with you guys, so stay until the end of the video. So basically, first option is of course find a video you are willing to duet with. So be wary that you can, of course, if you are an original creator of a video, you can disable the duet option if you want to. So maybe some videos aren't duetable. So keep that in mind. The second part is of course editing and customizing your duet videos. So basically what that says is basically trimming, cropping, filtering and adding text to those videos. The most important part about duetting a video is managing duet videos and monetization. So basically you need to have control over your duet videos, including the ability to delete or disable duetting if needed. So basically the entire rules around the duetting is when you find a short that you want to duet with, either select an option duet or download that specific video and edit it to your duet as you may please, and just add a duet short with this plus button, which is at the bottom of the screen. So overall guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.